welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. This is a new market, is YouTube. And why I'm coming to you on YouTube is because I want to share the knowledge that I have gained in all these years. And I want to be able to talk about how you can make money and a lot of other topics. But the number one is how you can make money. The hair business is a billion-dollar industry. I have worked behind the chair for so many years, and I had to learn the hard way that it was time to come from behind the chair, because while you are working behind the chair, it can limit you from how you can go about making money in the business. So I came from behind the chair because of medical issues and things that I had to deal with, having surgery. So it kind of was like it all fell in place the way it was supposed to fall in place. I have been doing hair for at least 20 years, and I love my clients and what I have learned and gained for, but it is time for me to pass that knowledge on to the next person. I learned everything in this business firsthand. I have learned the mistakes, negative things. Their business is a billion-dollar industry. So if you want to make money in it, it is room for you to make money in it. There is no cutoff time. There is no, oh, it's so saturated. Oh, it's so many people doing it. Everyone has a place that they can make money in this business. So I want to be able to share those tips about the marketing, how you can get in this business, stay in this business, make long-term money in this business. And yes, if you want to be a hairstylist, you can still be a hairstylist and still market yourself and make money, which we have seen so many great hairstylists doing, which is a great thing to see for women nowadays. But this avenue and this market is wide open for you to make money. And I want to be able to share the tips that I have learned throughout my 20 years of doing hair and of being in business with marketing and selling hair. So I am going to market my own self as well. But this is my hair bar club. My daughters will be the ones that will be taking on the business, but the hair is still the same quality, and I am still going to market and advertise my own product. But going back into it, I want to be able to give whatever little jewels that I can give on how to make money. The other avenue, being a hairstylist, I was also a realtor for many years. So I want to be able to market and let other women know. As far as real estate goes, we have all of the tips and the what to do and what not to do in real estate and how to make money within 30 days. I feel this is what I am supposed to be doing right now, is sharing this knowledge so no one has to wait too long to figure out how to make money, because the market in real estate is huge. And the reason I was able to go into it, being a hairstylist, our schedules and everything kind of is a little bit more flexible. So that was always the other business that I was able to be into. So when my husband started back into real estate, I was able to use all of the things that we had learned before and take those to the next level. And I want to be able to share those tips with you. There are a lot of women that are still sitting at home trying to figure out, what am I supposed to be doing? What is my goals? I have went through those times myself, always questioning myself. What is my next step? What should I be doing? What move should I make? If you are always looking to advance, you should always be asking yourself those questions. So for me, I want to share as a business owner, as a mom, as a grandmother, as an entrepreneur, consultant, mentor, all those things that I have gained in all these years. I want to share those tips with you. So if you want to watch my channel and you want to be able to learn these tips that I am giving away for free, then you need to watch my channel so you can find out those tips. I'm not talking about quick, rich schemes. I'm talking about long term. 47, I'm too old to be talking about quick, rich schemes. That just doesn't even make any sense. But I can talk about how you can make money within 30 days. So if you want to know those tips and you want to watch my channel, subscribe. and I am going to give you all of the knowledge that I have. You can email me, you can inbox me, and find all the information that you need to know, so that way you can be successful and you can start making money within 30 days. Showing you. If you want to see more of my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my videos. Thank you for watching my channel and watching this video today.